I wanted to do a series of short videos just to show you a little bit about the solar system that I currently have now and the system that I'm going to be installing in the next couple of weeks. So we're going to break this up into a few different sections.
When you look at this project, it has got a converter which is not designed to charge lithium-ion batteries. We are going to upgrade traditional batteries to lithium-ion batteries, so the converter needs to be changed. And I always believe that when it comes to RVs that come with a converter from the factory, or even if it's an aftermarket install, when the time comes to change that converter, it makes sense to upgrade to an inverter charger. An inverter charger gives an RVer all the benefits of a converter because a converter charger is built right in. But then the added benefit of having an inverter is massive. An inverter takes DC power battery and converts into AC power. Once you install an inverter charger, which is hardwired to the main panel, then you get AC power in all the plugs of your RV. And that's a huge benefit. Now you can plug in any AC electronics, any equipment inside your RV, which really is a big benefit to an RVer. And of course, when you're plugged in, the incoming shore power may be used to charge batteries and also to power any downstream loads. So it's a no-brainer to upgrade from a converter to an inverter charger.
So let's just have a look at how this all works. So on the Westie, there is and a lot of RVs have this, right? You've got your little shore power thing. So this is 27 years old. This is 110 volt, simple. It's not a really big one. The 30 amp converter that I have that I use when I go to, what if I decided I want to plug into shore power. This, by the way, is the propane hookup. So again, at the heart of the van, behind a whole bunch of different cabinets buried underneath the fridge, as a matter of fact, is the charger. So when I plug into shore power, what ends up happening is there's a little charger that's actually right underneath this cabinet here that charges the house batteries and keeps everything topped up. Or, you know, before a long trip, if I want to just leave and make sure that the fridge is nice and cold, I'll plug into shore power, get everything nice and chilled, and then when I leave, I've got everything topped up. But what I'm finding though is with solar, I have to do that less and less. So 27 years though, and I'm going to show you some images of what the controller looks like with the Westfalia branding. It's not, you know, 95 was the last year that they made the Westie. That the Westfalia company was managing the conversions. After that point, Winnebago took over. So there's a different charger that's at the heart of the newer Eurovan Westfalias. Actually, they weren't Westfalias, they were Winnebagos. So the thing is, after 27 years, it's time to replace the original charger. So I decided to go with this whole build actually is Xantrex, and I'm going to be installing a Xantrex Freedom XC 1000. So it's a 1,000 watt charger, but it's also an inverter as well. And so what that will allow me to do is to utilize the plugins that the Westies have, and you can see they're kind of hiding in the back there. So I'll actually, with this Xantrex inverter, charger inverter, I'll be able to bypass the system that I'm using right now.